Hello everyone, my name is Miracle Eagle. I'm a virtual assistant and team leader of Diamond Lab Ambassador Program. Okay, so in the previous video I uploaded, we talked about the Academy sign up and sign in. Okay, we had a tutorial concerning the Academy sign up and sign in. Alright, now in this video I'll be showing us how to sign up for a business marketplace account and sign into the business marketplace dashboard. Okay, so like we saw in the previous video, we have 6 steps, all right, in this message. Okay, now so the third step is to register for a free business marketplace account. Like I said in the previous video, I have an account already, so I'll just show us what to do. I don't have to register, alright, because I've registered before. Just show us what to do. Okay, so you click on the first link in step 3. So it take you to this page. Now you put in your email, you put in your name, very important. Put in your password, repeat the password, the country, you accept the terms of service and privacy policy, and then you register. So when you register, you have a dashboard. Okay, you have a dashboard. So then you click on the next link to sign into your business marketplace account. Okay, so since I can do that, I'll just do that. All right. Okay, now so this is my this is the sign in page. Okay, so I'll enter my email, missos15@gmail.com, and then my password. Okay, and login. Now there we have it. This is my dashboard. So I have a unique link. I have unique link that I'm supposed to copy and paste on different social media platforms, different platforms, social media, text, messages, emails, whichever way I decide I want to promote the products and services of the Diamond Lab. So it's my choice wherever I want to be. I know my audience, I know where I can get lots of people to to click on those links, purchase those goods and services, purchase those products, purchase those services, purchase those courses. Now I hope this was helpful. Okay, so why not create your business marketplace account now? Thank you for watching.